Yeah, had a little walk up to Emu Mountain and see what damage the rain did. Not a lot, except a puddle on my path that I had to walk in. On the track down to the national park, and we had a bit of rain here, so well, here we go. We're going to try and cross this track in the national park. I have to negotiate this excess water here on the track, and it may not be as easy as it looks staying on terra firma. Oops, I can feel the water coming into my shoes. Oh, I think I'm getting wet feet here. Yeah, definitely. Oh, wet feet Harry. But I'll go and get more twigs, build it up for tomorrow. Yeah, well, Sunshine Coast had 90 mils at our place, 90 mils of rain overnight, last night. Today's a bit different, nice and sunny, but my regular walking path down to the national park is a little bit covered in water, so I want to build this little bridge here if I can. Probably need to shift this to that side and put it in there so I can get across the water without getting too wet. Oh, that was a failure. It went to nothing. Oh well, got across one way. Down in the national park after the rain, heading from a little walk up Emu Mountain, and encountered a little bit of water on the track that I had to negotiate. But we got this far, we might as well keep going.